In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're moving on to a new project, consolidating your web presence, or simply no longer need your site, I'll guide you through the simple steps to remove it permanently from the Weebly platform. Make sure you're ready to proceed, as this action can't be undone once completed. First, let's navigate to the Weebly website by visiting their homepage. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Weebly in your preferred web browser. Once there, locate the login option since we'll need to access your account to proceed with the deletion process. After clicking on the login option, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your Weebly account. Go ahead and fill in those details. It's always a handy tip to ensure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. Once everything is entered, hit the login button. A successful login will lead you to your Weebly account overview. Now that you're in, let's go ahead and find the specific site you want to delete. This can be done by heading over to the overview dashboard. Here, you'll often find a collection or a list of all the websites you have associated with your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't done so already, as it provides a snapshot of your site's activities. Next, look for the My Site drop-down icon. Clicking on this will reveal a list of your sites. From here, carefully select the website that you want to delete. It's crucial to double check and ensure you're choosing the correct site, as you don't want to delete the wrong one by mistake. Once you've selected the desired site, look for the 3 dots, also known as the options menu, usually located beside your site's name. Clicking these dots will give you a range of options specific to that site. This is where you'll find the delete option. Go ahead and click on delete site. Before you hit confirm, remember that this step is irreversible. Finally, you will be asked to confirm your choice to delete the site. This extra confirmation step is designed to ensure that you're absolutely certain about your decision. Once you click confirm delete site, your Weebly website will be permanently removed from your account. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted your Weebly website. Remember, deleting a website is final, so always